So before going to data science, yeah, we have three concepts like statistics. So there we need to cover inferential statistics and descriptive statistics. So this is the prerequisition of data science. Under mathematics, we are studying linear algebra and calculus. And under programming, any one programming language called Excel, Python, R or SQL. So this is a complete set of prerequisition of data science. So please, you can record the session, Sundar. Yeah.
Sure, I started it.
Yeah.
So if you share your screen, go back to Skype. I will show you where the recorded session.
Yeah. Please, I'm sharing. Actually, my screen is not coming.
Oh, not coming, sir.
Yeah, sorry. I thought that it is coming. So stop sharing. Okay. Now I would like to share my screen. Yeah.
So before you share it, before you share it, the Skype, go back to chat history on the Skype.
One second. No, but before that, choose a screen to share. Desktop, Windows, share computer sound like that. It is coming. I need to Skype.
Before
I need to select
share,
Skype.
Before you click share, do you see Skype chat window?
Chat. Yeah. Chat window is there. Add people is there. Invite. Join Skype.com.
No.
There is a record button. Yeah.
No, not that, sir. Okay, hold on. Let me see.
Tell me.
There is called chat button, right? After that, after the red phone symbol.
Yeah.
Click that.
Chat button. I have clicked. Yes. Add people is there.
No, not that add people. Okay. The chat button, when you scroll up, you will see two recordings. Yeah. Add people. Yeah, scroll down, you will see the two recordings right there.
Yes.
Have you seen those two recordings there?
Yeah.
That's where there's a three button, the three dot like a burger, three dot. Yeah. When you click it, you can download it later on.
Okay. From Discover Bings, three buttons I clicked here: contact, location, schedule a call, create poll, like that it is coming.
Oh, no, not that. The chat button, the video, next to the video. Okay, if you go to chat, scroll down the chat, you see the two recordings.
Yes, yes. Two recordings are there. Yes, I got it.
Just like more options that, when you click it, there's called save.
Yes, it is there. Yes.
Then you can, that's how you can download it.
Yeah, sure. I understood.
Yeah, now you can proceed. Yes.
Yeah, now I'm sharing the screen. Can I select a desktop or window? Two options are there.
Whichever you like.
Can I select? No, I want to share entire my screen.
Oh, then do you have a two monitor or you have only one?
I have only one monitor is there. No, what I mean to say.
No, you can select entire desktop. Let me see how it comes.
No, it is not showing like in Google entire screen. It will come here. Generic PNP monitor is there. Window is there. Skype window that I have to select. I think.
Oh no, not the Skype window. No.
Yeah.
When you go to invite, okay.
Data science presentation is there, right side. Can I select that one?
Oh yeah. You go to.
Yeah. Now it is coming. My screen is coming.
Yes. I think this is more than enough. Yes, it's coming.
Yeah. Now my screen is clear.
Yeah, it is clear.
Yeah, perfect. So this is the prerequisition of data science. We need to select statistics, mathematics, and programming knowledge. Programming knowledge is required. Here we are choosing Python, and mathematics and statistics are compulsory subjects in order to understand data science concepts. And this is the my own chart. I have created my own chart. This chart, it cannot be available anywhere else. By my experience, I have created this chart. It starts with the data. Data may be a raw material or any kind of fact or image, audio, video, text, graphics, animation, anything. Then once we are processing the data, it becomes information. So once we got information, we are collection of interrelated data and we are making a database with the help of database management tools. So the collection of interrelated data is called database. Once we have two types of database languages like relational databases and non-relational databases. So relational databases tools like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access we are using in order to create the tables and we need to maintain the database. Then non-relational database tools like Mongo database, Hive, HBase, Zookeeper, Woozy, Cassandra. These are the non-relational database tools we are using. Then collection of that software is called a database management system. Then the combination of data plus DBMS concept is called database system. So once you are storing small amount of data in a server, that is called data mart. That is also called as a subset of a data warehousing. Data warehousing is nothing but storing of huge volume of data in a server. That is called data warehousing. Through data cubes we are storing. Through tables how we are storing in the database with the help of SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access. Same way, we are storing with the help of data cubes and a huge volume of data we are storing through systems and a server and data center. That is called data warehousing. Collection of data marts is called data warehousing. That is also called as a OLAP, online analytical processing. That means legacy data, old data, we are storing huge volume of 10 years data. That is called a data warehousing. Once we are storing huge volume of data, what we have to do? We are performing mining concept. That is called extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying various classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection. We are applying various techniques under data mining approaches. Then we have a buzzword called big data. So big data deals with the big data sets like challenges like volume, velocity, and variety. In order to process the big data, we are using big data processing tools like Hadoop and Spark. These are the very good technologies under big data with major concepts like MapReduce and HDFS, Hadoop distributed file system. Then the latest buzzword in the market is called data science. Data science is nothing but extracting insights and meaningful patterns by applying various statistical and AI, machine learning and deep learning algorithms in order to extract insights and interested patterns to generate interested analytics. So this is about a prerequisition chart of my own chart. I have created with my experience. And any doubt, Sundar, in this one? All clear?
All clear. Yep.
Yeah, perfect. Then if you are understanding like that, I can move fast so that I can cover many subjects.
Absolutely. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Move fast.
Then see what is the name we can call it as a Sundar. You may be knowing various types of images. Currently, where are you working? Which organization?
I got laid up recently, but I was working Accenture.
Okay, very good. Okay,
Accenture as a senior manager for data and running a data and AI practice in South region.
Yeah, no problem. See why I'm asking the question. So how do you publicize about Accenture? Because you worked as an employee in that one. Now my question is, so how do you publicize about Accenture or any organization or anything? So this is one kind of image. So this is, you can call it as, what is the technical jargon of this image? So
Technical
data,
jargon in the sense means the data sites, the picture, what the picture says that is
yes, yeah.
the data. I
The,
mean, what I learned from us before is data science is like three circles. One is you need to you need to understand the data, or
correct.
the other circle would be is you need to know the statistics. The other
Correct.
side, other circle would be is programming because of the Python.
Perfect.
So
Perfect. Perfect.
so it's a combination of this.
Yeah.
If you look at the data sciences, is you understand the business
Yeah. Yeah.
knowledge, what
Technical,
you're trying to solve.
technical name I'm expecting from you
Yeah,
for this image.
yeah. So the technical name is
It's okay. No problem. If you know, say yes. Otherwise, no problem.
so it's a data scientist.
No. See, that's why I'm asking you. Suppose you are in Anna University, you are a student. How do you publicize about Anna University? Maybe pamphlets, maybe dashboards,
Oh,
maybe
so you're
SMS,
asking about
maybe,
marketing.
yeah,
You're asking about
yeah,
marketing. Oh, got it.
yeah. How do you publicize about Anna University? So you are a doctorate student from the university. So this is one kind of publicity and advertising and promotion and mobilization of the technology. This is one
Mm.
more way of mobilizing and exploring knowledge in the data science. This
Mm-hmm.
image integrates with the programming. This image integrates with the data analysis, process, structure, unstructured knowledge, and solving everything we have incorporated in this image.
Yep.
That's why the technical name of this image is called word cloud. See here,
Oh,
this is called word cloud. This is one more way of publicizing. Okay, sir? Okay.
okay.
Such type of image is called data science word cloud. Now,
Okay.
the first subject, the first module is introduction to data science.
Yeah.
What are the, before going to these 10 topics, I'll start with the fundamental concepts. Without data, there is no database application. And data is a central for data science. Data may be any kind of data, text data, audio data, video data, image data, okay, and observational data, sensor data, and time series data, weather forecasting data, whatnot. That's why data is a central to data science. Without data, there is no database application. So that's why types of data, we have categorical data, numerical data. So which one we can call it as a categorical data? If you take marital status like single, married, widow, these are the examples of categories of marital status. Political party, you can take 2-3 types of political party. Eye color, so defined categories like blue eye, red eye, green eye, like that. So these are comes under categorical data. And the numerical data, again, we are classifying into two types, discrete, continuous. So discrete means, so we are not maintaining continuous manner. We are not generating data in the continuous manner, or hourly based we are performing, or defects for hour in a software, or counted items, number of children in a family. This comes under discrete data. Continuous data, if you take voltage continuously increasing, or our weight is continuously increasing, or our age also continuously increasing, that is example for continuous data. That is measured characteristics. So how do you collect the data? With the help of data collection tools, like through interviews, we are collecting the data. Through observation, we are collecting the data. Through surveys, we are collecting the data. Through focus groups, we are collecting the data. Through campaigns, we are collecting audio, video data, usage data, etc. Data science is a combination of all kinds of variety of data, like scientific method we are using, mathematics we are using, statistics we are using, advanced computing we are using, visualization techniques we are using, like in Python, matplotlib we are using, ggplot we are using, rgraph, R programming. So domain expertise, data engineering, hacker mindset. This combination, we can call it as a data science. So that's why data science has 7 steps. Like first we are collecting the data, that is called acquisition of data. Then we are storing the data in a system, server and data center. And we are cleaning the data. That means we are doing pre-processing the data. That means we are eliminating noisy data, inconsistent data, redundant data, dirty data. Suppose I'm taking Sundar, name is equal to Sundar, age is equal to 35, and salary is minus $100. System may not take because it is inconsistent data. That's why we are doing pre-processing concept with the help of pre-processing techniques like box plot, binning, and a few more filters we are using in order to make it as a information and meaningful data. Then that meaningful data we are giving to the system, and we are integrating with the multiple data sets. And then we are applying a SVM model or k-means clustering or a priori algorithm. Depends on our user requirement. We are applying and we are generating a model. That model gives us the results. That results is called analysis with help of techniques and applications. And finally, we are generating visualization graphs like bar chart, pie chart, line chart, scatter plot, etc. And finally, manager or principal would like to take actions on that output, managerial and policy implications, actions. He would like to take actions. So these are the 7 steps we are performing in the data science. So it is encompasses like preparing data for analysis, including cleaning, aggregating, and manipulating the data to perform advanced data analysis with help of various tools and techniques. So as a data scientist can review the results to uncover patterns and enable business leaders to draw informed insights and generating interested analytics, meaningful data. That's why data science is an interdisciplinary field. Everybody can learn data science, not only computer science and electronics, electrical, civil, mechanical, any field that uses scientific methods. If they know basic mathematics, anybody can learn data science. What it contains, it uses scientific methods like logistic regression, or any A-star algorithm, or any kind of soft computing techniques, some processes, algorithms, and the systems to extract knowledge, patterns, models, and insights from noisy data, structured data, unstructured data, and apply knowledge and actionable insights from data across a broad range of application domains. That's why data science is the process of extracting insights from the huge volume of data. Why importance of data science? Means it enables companies to efficiently understand a very huge volume of data. That is called a gigantic data from multiple sources and derived valuable insights to make smarter and driven decisions. That's why data science is widely used in various industries and domains, including marketing field, healthcare domain, finance, banking, policy work, and many more. What not? Weather forecasting, traffic data analysis, and climate change experimentation, groundwater data, pollutants. Everywhere we can use. Wherever data is there, we can apply data science tools and techniques. So what are the software tools used in data science? We are using n number of frameworks like TensorFlow. Jupyter is a editor. TensorFlow is one of the big library in order to process the artificial intelligence and big data kind of applications. Tableau. Tableau is one of the visualization tool, and we can generate n number of graphs, and you can see scatter plot, line chart, bar chart. Very easily we can generate with the help of Tableau. Then Excel, it is a statistical tool. Scikit-learn is a framework. We can perform machine learning algorithm approaches like classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection. NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, it is one of the famous library in NLP, Natural Language Processing. I would like to convert from one language to another language. We are using translators. So in order to develop the translators, we are using NLTK framework. Then we are going for Matplotlib. It is a visualization library in order to generate n number of visualization graphs like a pie chart, bar chart, line chart, scatter plot, etc. Then Power BI is also one kind of Tableau like visualization graph tool. We can generate n number of transformations. We can perform transformations. We can generate visualization graphs, etc. Now you can see data science again is presented everywhere, and it can have many organizations in industry in many different ways we are using. So data has become too complex nowadays because in a mobile itself we are generating per day 2 GB of data like audio, video, text, graphics, animation, etc. And we are processing and we are storing the data, we are analyzing the data, and finally we are managing with the traditional data tools. And where the data is coming from, where is the source? The sources like social network data, financial data, multimedia data, and data from ERP systems, Internet of Things, mobile apps data. We are getting multiple data from multiple sources. Not only this, we have a data in marketing, sensor media data, social media data, data in health, and microphones data, audio, video, text, graphics, animation. So what is the data science workflow? So the workflow consists of 5 steps. First, we are capturing the data, whether it is structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data, doesn't matter. We are taking as an input data and we are pre-processing it. Then we are managing and cleaning the data. Then we are giving exploratory analysis, means we are classifying the data, or we are clustering the data, or we are doing a association rule mining. The relationship between two items, a relationship we are finding. Then finally we are getting final analysis. Finally we are generating the reporting. That is called visualization graphs. This is called the data science workflow. So same thing I have explained here: capturing the data, managing the data, exploratory analysis, final analysis, and reporting. So these are the 3-dimensional characteristics of big data and as well as data science characteristics. If you see, these 3 are the challenges for a data science. So volume, see what type of data I can call it as a big data. Traditional systems are unable to take the data or fit the data, or unable to process the data. Such kind of data is called big data. That's why we are moving towards big data technologies like Hadoop, Spark, MATLAB, or etc. So maybe we are dealing with the megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, exabytes, octabytes, yottabytes, prontobytes, and geobytes. That is called data volume. Volume says that the size of the data, and then data variety says that different kinds of data we are handling in our mobile itself: audio, video, text, graphics, animation, structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data, etc. That is called data variety. Then data velocity means the speed up and motion of the data, and uploading the data, downloading the data. So whether you are handling with the batch processing or periodic data or near-time data, real-time data, whether legacy data or old data, such kind of the speed at motion, and we are handling the data, that is called velocity. And why do I want to study data science? So Sundar sir getting doubt, sir, what is the use of I want to study data science? In order to become data scientist, so you need to study you need to train on data science. If you are having more data, it leads to the more knowledge. More knowledge leads to the more money. That is all business magnets, what they are doing. They are collecting a huge volume of data from various sources, and they are storing in the server system and data centers. So more knowledge leads to the better customer engagement, so that they are generating huge volume of revenue. We can use fraud prevention and new products. So it is the process of examining, and we are extracting meaningful data from variety of types, and uncover hidden patterns, unknown correlations we are extracting, and we are deriving insights. Then why learn data science? There are 5 reasons to learn the data science, data scientist. It is a fuel of 21st century, because all the complex of data we are solving very easily with the help of data science tools and techniques. Then problem of demand and supply, then lucrative career, luxurious career. Data science is changing the world. Yes, because of AI and ML and DL techniques, data science changing the world, and data science is the future. So that is the reason we need to learn data science. And data science, even we can generate statistics and insights across workflows, and hiring new candidates to helping senior staff make better informed decisions. Data science is valuable to any company in any industry. So these are the why data science is important. In order to take decision making, data science will help us. Efficiency and the productivity, in order to increase the more products from the company or organization, how efficiently that product is working. So data science will help us. Then innovation. So we are developing innovation kind of applications like patent and idea creations with the help of AI, ML and DL techniques. Then personalization, if you want to store your data or you need to segregate your data. So personalization also we are using in the organization or in your system or server or data center. And competitive advantages like various opportunities, and you are getting trends, market trends. So because of this data science, that's why data science is so important in all these categories. So if you see in verticals like in data science, we are using in finance sector in order to generate various kinds of finance related interested information. In e-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart, so they are attracting the public. They are taking the voting systems or opinion mining from them, and they are analyzing, and they are using recommender engine. That is one more way of using data science e-commerce business. Then they are using in advertisement and transportation and search engines. They are using data science. In a healthcare sector also we are using data science. Banking and securities and forecasting, weather forecasting, we are using data science. And education sector and manufacturing and media and entertainment, image and speech text recognition, we are using data science. Then so Facebook alone generates 1,000 terabytes of data every day and daily, whereas many other organizations like Jet Airways and stock market, exchange market generates terabytes of data every hour. Data science is a collection of data sets that is so large, means huge volume of data. It is a complex that is difficult to handle using relational database tools like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access. So SQL is a product of Oracle, and MySQL is a product of Microsoft company. DB2 is a product of IBM company, and Teradata is a product of Teradata company. MS Access is a small database creation tool from Microsoft. We are handling in real-time environment three types of data, that is called structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. So structured data with the help of SQL, MySQL, relational database tools, we are creating tables, transactions, and we are maintaining the legacy data. So this data is organized in a highly mechanized and a manageable way with the help of syntax and table and relation. That's why it is called structured data. Unstructured data with help of non-relational database tools like Mongo database, Hive, HBase, Zookeeper, Woozy, Cassandra, etc. This data is raw and unorganized, and it varies it in content, maybe audio, video, text, graphics, animation kind of data. There is no label, there is no structure, there is no schema, but we are maintaining the data with the help of various non-relational database tools like Hive, HBase, Zookeeper, Cassandra, etc. Semi-structured data is nothing but 50% of structured data and 50% of unstructured data we are using. And that's why best example is XML, Extensible Markup Language Database. These are the three types of data. Then if you see, why do we want to study data analytics? So it is the process of analyzing raw data in order to make a conclusion about the information. That means we are extracting insights. We are extracting interested patterns. We are extracting meaningful data with the help of various tools and techniques. That's why data analytics playing a vital role. And we are generating, we are processing and examining and interpreting the data and uncover meaningful insights we are extracting. And finally, it support for informed decision-making manager or principal or any kind of person can make the decisions very easily by seeing the output. So data analytics consists of 5 steps, same as a data science we have seen. First step is a collect the data from various sources. Then measuring the data, we are measuring the information from collected data. Then we are analyzing the data, analyze the process for issues and the root causes. And if you want to increase the accuracy, efficiency, determine and implement improvement actions. Finally, we are doing control. It helps to system with improved information, etc. So who uses data science? There are various big giants, gigantic MNCs like Google, Microsoft, Apple, Uber, Swarovski, Airbnb, Disney Parks, Facebook, Booking.com, LinkedIn, Amazon, NASA, Twitter, whatnot. Everybody is using data science tools and techniques in order to improve their business, in order to take better decisions, how to improve their business. Then what is the structure of data science? We have a tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So the structure of data science involves processing first, collecting the data, then we are cleaning the data, we are analyzing the data, and we are interpreting the data to extract valuable insights to make informed decisions. Data sources may be a structured data, unstructured data. So structured data consists of, with the help of SQL, MySQL, Teradata, you are having variety of files you are taking as input. Then unstructured data with help of non-relational database tools like Mongo database, Hive, HBase, Zookeeper, Woozy, Cassandra. These are the non-relational database tools for storing the audio, video, text, graphics, animation, social media data, etc. Then once we have a tier 1 completed with input data, as a data scientist, we are choosing the which technology is suitable for my data, whether it is Hadoop or Hive or MapReduce or MATLAB or Spark or any AI tool or machine learning or deep learning tool. We are selecting as a data tool. Then finally, we are getting analytics with the help of reports and dashboards and queries, intelligent databases, pie chart, bar chart, scattered plot, line chart, etc. So these are the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, the structure of data science. So what are the data file formats we are having? N number of file formats we are having. See, audio, video, text, graphics, animation, and flat files like document files, Excel files, spreadsheet, PPT, PowerPoint presentation files called the flat files, then SQL files, GB2 files, MySQL files, Teradata files, MS Access files, whatnot. These are the variety of data is a dimension of data science. Then that's why data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, process, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from many structural and unstructured data. That's why you need to have a domain expertise. If you want to become as a data scientist, you need to have domain expertise. Means, sir, I'm expert in weather forecasting data. Sir, I'm expert in climate change data. I'm expert in traffic data analysis. Sir, I'm expert in e-commerce data. Like domain expertise, you need to have knowledge. Then we have data engineering and what kinds of data you are handling, whether you are handling structured, unstructured, semi-structured. Then how do you store the data? That's why we are going for advanced computing like cloud computing. Cloud is a internet-based technology. And without internet, you cannot access any kind of information or any kind of service-based application. Cloud is a 5-4-3 formula, 5 characteristics, 4 infrastructure models, and 3 services. 3 services like SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, and 4 infrastructure models called deployment models like public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud. Then 5 characteristics like on-demand computing, broad network access, rapid elasticity, resource pooling, and measured service. So the backbone for cloud computing is data center and virtualization. Data center is nothing but a collection of high integrated servers at one place is called data center. And virtualization is also a backbone for cloud computing.
Sir, the screenshot is, the screen is still shows slide number 78.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm explaining advanced computing.
Got it.
So,
okay.
Yeah, virtualization is the backbone for cloud computing. Virtualization is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system with the help of VMware technology, hypervisor, Zen, Virtualiron. These are the 4 popular virtualization technologies we are using in the industry. And we are moving to visualization. There are Power BI and Tableau and ggplot and matplotlib. These are the visualization tools we are using. And the statistical operations like mean, average, standard deviation, logistic regression, linear regression, various concepts we are using. Then that's why data science is a combination of visualization, statistical modeling, statistical computing, data technology, data research, data consulting, and real-world application scientific methods. So that's why data science, sometimes we can call it as a KDD. KDD is nothing but knowledge discovery in databases. And so where we can see the various steps involved in the KDD process. It starts with the raw data, then pre-processing, then choosing the technique, then model selection, then deployment, finally output. So that's why data science is also known as data-driven science, that is called DSS. and it is this interdisciplinary field about scientific methods. And that's why we can call it as a KDD process. It involves various kinds of structured, unstructured, semi-structured data. That's why data science, it uses scientific thinking, statistical methods, computer engineering methods, and innovative technologies. So innovative technologies like generative AI, it is nowadays innovative technologies. Then it is a data science is having 5 steps like capturing the data with help of how do you capture the data? Like data acquisition of the audio, video, text, graphics, animation kind of data entry, and signal reception, data extraction. Once you are capturing the data, we are maintaining the data in the data warehousing. Then we are doing data cleansing, data staging, data pre-processing, then data architecture. Then we are processing the data like data mining approaches we are using like classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection. Data modeling we are performing, data summarization we are performing the operation. So once completed processing, then we are analyzing the data with help of various visualization tools like exploratory means classification of the data, confirmatory data, predictive analysis, regression, classification, clustering, text mining, qualitative analysis we are applying. Then finally communicating with the end users. So there we are showing data reporting, data visualization, business intelligence, decision making, etc. So if you see this mind map graph, data science is a multidisciplinary subject. It includes statistics, pattern recognition, machine learning, AI, data mining, KDD process, knowledge discovery database, databases and data protection, visualization. If you see the domains like domain knowledge, communications, presentation skills, inquisitiveness, problem solving, business analysis, and the business strategy. So that's why data science life cycle starts with the business problem and understanding. First, we need to frame the problem statement. Then we need to collect data from various sources. That is called data collection. Then we need to do data pre-processing. We are eliminating noisy data, inconsistent data, dirty data, and noisy, inconsistent, dirty data. Then we are performing exploratory data analysis, means classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection. Then feature engineering. Suppose I'm taking input as a COVID chest X-ray image. I'm extracting features from that chest, whether it is related to pneumonia symptoms or COVID-19 positive symptoms or negative symptoms. We are extracting features with help of various techniques. Then we are performing machine learning, learning from the observational data. There are 3 approaches we are using: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. And then model evaluation we are performing. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. And for evaluation purpose, we are using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, F1, F1 square, AUC, ROC, various performance evaluation metrics we are using, whether checking our model is correctly classifying data or not, or we are justifying whether our research problem is correct or not. With help of model evaluation we are performing. Then finally data visualization. We are getting to report generation like pie chart, bar chart, line chart, scatter plot, etc. So see, so up to this one, the fundamentals I have covered. Sundar, any doubt, please ask me.
I'm good.
Everything is clear?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, perfect. Then I'm moving to the first concept of out of 10 concepts I have segregated in the data science. Okay, so well versed with the data science definition. No need to explain again and again. We are extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying various statistical and AI and machine learning techniques. The goal of data science is to identify patterns, insights, and trends, meaningful data, relationship between the data that can be used to make informed decisions. How do I can increase my business based on the predicted values? That's why data science playing a vital role. So data scientists are use various tools to build predictive models and algorithms that can automate decision making process and improve accuracy and precision, and we are reducing time, and like we can take very good decision based on the data. So that's why you can see in data science wide range of applications like healthcare sector. Today I'm going to share with you 3 applications for your review purpose, so that it can be understand how easily we can perform any research. Then finance related domain, retail industry, manufacturing. So that's why data science is a multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary. It uses mathematics, statistics, data structures, computational methods, and we are interpreting large and complex data sets to extract valuable insights, meaningful data, and interested analytics and knowledge. So if you see data science, it touches statistical learning, yes. Machine learning, yes. Probabilistic models we are using, artificial intelligence, intelligent behavior in a machine, and visualization, pattern recognition. Pattern is a model. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. Pattern recognition. I would like to find out who are the twin brothers, twin sisters. It is very tough to find out whose behavior is different, whose similarity is moles on the face, like that. Pattern recognition applications. Uncertainty, mathematics, statistics, operations research, predictive analytics, signal processing, and computer science. So that's why we are using data science everywhere. So these are the 4 major components of data science. See, the data exploration means we are collecting the data from various sources. Then we are selecting the model, and like SVM model, random forest model, clustering model, like association rule mining model. Then we are testing the model, whether my new data is correctly classifying or not. How do I can check? With the help of testing the model. Then once everything is fine, I'm deploying my application into the market. So these are the 4 steps are involved in the main components of data science. So if you see in the sequence of steps of major components of data science, data is a very, very important component. Without data, there is no database application. Data may be a structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. Then big data, it deals with the 7 V's, like volume, velocity, variety, viscosity, veracity, vision, value, etc. Then machine learning uses 3 types of approaches: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning means there is a label, there is a target class, we are classifying the data based on that label. And unsupervised learning, there is no label, there is no target class, there is no label, but I would like to classify the data based on the similarity measure. For similarity measure, I'm using Euclidean distance, the distance between 2 points, x1, x2, y1, y2. If you use Euclidean distance formula, square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So that is called unsupervised learning, called clustering. Then reinforcement learning is nothing but based on the punishment and reward, we are solving the problem, like games development applications. So there are various techniques we are using. Then statistics and probability. In statistic operations, we are using like mean, average, standard deviation, statistical techniques like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, etc. Then programming languages, you can choose any one programming language like Python, Java, JavaScript, and R programming. These are the leading programming languages in the market. And that's all. These are the major components of data science. Then what are the examples of data science? I have already explained. There are various examples like predictive analysis, especially in stock market analysis. We are using natural language processing, like I would like to convert Tamil to Telugu, Telugu to Tamil. So I am using natural language processing library called NLTK. Then image and audio video processing, examples like chest X-ray image of COVID-19 patient. So I'm dealing with image classification, which image belongs to positive image, which image belongs to negative image. These are the examples of data science, and a few more examples like machine learning. So we are using various approaches in the machine learning and fraud detection, especially in cyber security data. We are using fraud detection and personalized marketing. Also, we are using this data science concept and healthcare and healthcare analytics, which is very, very important and emerging and ongoing research concepts in the health informatics. These are the 4 pillars of data science. Domain knowledge you need to have, like a business knowledge or expert system or user testing. Then you need to have a mathematics, statistics skills like linear algebra, calculus, descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, etc. Then computer science knowledge, if you are having well and good, like big data technologies, programming, database systems, etc. Finally, communication and visualization, you need to have storytelling skills like documentation, visual art design, able to engage with the senior manager and R package or Python packages, etc. So the third concept is concepts of data science. Sir, what are the major concepts of data science? Yes, there are. In order to handle the complex and a huge volume of data, we are using major concepts like first data collection. So data collection is the major processing step, and it's a process of acquiring and gathering data from various sources such as databases, application programming interfaces, social media data, census data, and other sources. Then the next major concept is data cleaning, means eliminating noisy data, inconsistent data, dirty data, etc. That is called pre-processing. Data exploration means we are classifying the data, we are processing the data, and with the help of data visualization, descriptive statistics, and other methods. Then the data analysis, once you have chosen the model and we have performed the experimental results we are performing, then data analysis, we are identifying patterns, relationships, and trends in a data set. Then data visualization with the help of ggplot, matplotlib, Power BI, Tableau. We are presenting and communicating insights, finding through graphs, charts, and other visual formats. Predictive modeling, we are using various regression techniques in order to building models that can make predictions about future events and behaviors based on historical data, legacy data, old data. So then machine learning, it is the concept and the training algorithms are available to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. And you can call it as eighth concept, artificial intelligence. You need to learn intelligent behavior in a machine, robotics, the humanoid robots like Simo, Sophia. Recently, she took citizenship of Saudi Arabia. And we require human intelligence such as natural language processing, image recognition, and decision making. These are the concepts we can study under artificial intelligence. Then one more major concept, big data. Big data deals with the large data sets like weather forecasting, and temperature data, groundwater data, finance data, healthcare data, etc. Then we need to follow the data ethics. In order to take Aadhaar card data in India, you need to take permission from the government of India. Otherwise, you cannot get an Aadhaar card database. It is very tough because sensitive information is presented in the data. That's why we need to follow the protocols, rules and regulations. Then finally, you are become as a data scientist. Once you are having these 10 subjects knowledge, you are becoming as a data scientist. Then, so these are the major concepts of data science. So like we have covered all the concepts like logistic regression, neural networks, naive linear regression, time series data, fraud detection, smooth methods, data engineering, regression-based forecasting, discriminant analysis, classification regression data, dimension reduction like PCA, principal component analysis, data visualization, data mining process, K nearest neighbor, logistic regression, association rules, smoothing methods, etc. Then concepts like ask a sharp question in the target in the data, put the data in a table, check for quality, transform features, answer the question, use the answer, etc. So up to this one, three concepts of major concepts of data science we have completed. And tomorrow we'll see the tools. We'll start practicals tomorrow.
Okay.
And meanwhile, I'm sharing three major projects to you today, now itself. Okay.
Great.
Any queries, Sundar, please?
No, I'm good.
I think you are understanding because you have a vast experience and you are outstanding person. That's why you are grasping everything. I think so.
I think up to level that you explained, yeah, I've been doing it, so I don't have a question. But you've been
one fine
fantastic.
day I'll ask you. Yeah. One
You've
fine
been
day I will ask you up to 3 topics. Suddenly I will ask you.
Oh,
Do you
sure.
explain? I'll show the slides. You can explain. Okay. That we will do one day. No problem. Once completed 12 topics, and we will do all sort of activities, research activities, collaborative work. How do we write the best research article by using AI and ICT tools? I'll teach you. There are 14 steps. Fantastic application we can develop, and we can publish both. We can publish in Springer Nature, IEEE, Elsevier, Inter Science, various fantastic journals we can publish. That's all from my side, Sundar. And time is up. This is sleeping time.
Sure, absolutely. What are the 3 projects you're going to share with me today?
Yeah, I'm going to share with you to your WhatsApp. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay, sounds good. Awesome.
I'm sharing directly. Don't worry.
Okay, very good. And thank you so much.
Tomorrow we'll see with the practical session. So you are ready with your system, and I'll start with practicals. We'll do.
I do.
Okay?
I have Anaconda.
Like no problem. With ideally also I can make it. With the CMD command prompt also I'll teach you very simple.
Okay.
So that you can generate various graphs. Okay,
Great.
Sundar, that's all from my side.
Just wanted to make sure that this concludes the data science basics. Okay.
Yeah. Right. Once you completed data science, you will become thorough knowledge. Then you can solve various applications through machine learning, deep learning. That is the reason I'm explaining these data science concepts.
Sounds good.
Are you understanding?
Yes, absolutely. Yes. So tomorrow, can you go to the next slide? What we gonna start from tomorrow?
Yeah, various tools. This is the tools of data science. From this 4th, 10 topics are there. Tomorrow I'm going to finish your data science.
Because the screen shows
then we will see the next.
Okay.
Like this. Yeah. 10 tools, 10 frameworks.
Okay, great.
We'll see. We'll see. Don't worry.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
I know you're getting late and midnight. Thank you so much. And you have a
Yeah, yeah. Have a nice day.
good night. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, Sundar.
Thank you.
Yeah, I will download that videos. Yeah. So now
Sure.
itself, otherwise, if I join, I'm unable to download, in the Skype.
Oh, really?
I tried to download,
Oh, really? Okay.
where can, yeah, I don't know, just a minute. Three buttons are there. Here,
Yeah.
where I can get,
After, just like on the top of the right top
yeah,
of the video,
yeah.
you'll see the three. Then when you click, it says, it will say download.
One second, I'm checking, sir. Yeah, no, not presentation. Yeah, top of that, where it is.